I'm NASA Kennedy's Corey Taylor, and I'm outside KSC taking you inside KSC. NASA's Artemis I mission will soon reach another major milestone at Kennedy Space Center. The core stage for the Space Launch System rocket will be lifted and placed on the mobile launcher between the twin solid rocket boosters inside the vehicle assembly building. After arriving at the spaceport on April 27th, the massive core stage was moved into the VAB's transfer aisle, where teams of Exploration Ground Systems and contractor Jacobs perform checkouts. Soon, they will place the launch vehicle stage adapter atop the core stage and continue integrating other elements to ready the rocket for launch preparedness testing. On Friday, utility company Florida Power & Light hosted a ribbon cutting to mark the opening of its Discovery Solar Energy Center at Kennedy. Rockledge High School's 2021 competition robot built by the school's Pink team helped cut the ribbon. The 74.5 megawatt solar site spans 491 acres at the spaceport. Containing about 250,000 solar panels, the facility sends enough energy directly to the company's utility grid to power 15,000 Florida homes. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.